Hi, welcome to Benchmark Grading. We're a standards-based online gradebook that comes packaged with School Loop. I'm here to show you some features. First thing you'll notice after you log in is a pull-down menu with all of your classes listed. You can click Add or Edit Classes to add or edit the classes that you can use in Benchmark Grading. Click the Add Class button to enter the class name and other information to get started adding a class. You can add multiple sets of standards by selecting the state, the grade, and then click Additional Standards. Make sure to enter a grading period name, start, and end date. You can click Add, and now your class will appear in the Add or Edit Classes page. To edit a class, click on its row. This is also how you can add extra standards or select inactive if you don't want a class to show up in the pull-down menu at the top of the page. Click the Gradebook link at the top of the page to get started with your gradebook. You can upload your entire class roster as a CSV or TXT file directly from your computer. Once you've got your students loaded, you can start adding assignments. You need to add an assignment title. The objective or skill is optional. Select the category and a grading scale. You can select a custom grading scale that's created specifically for that class. You'll also need to enter an assigned date and a due date. Then you want to add your standards. You can either browse for them by using the Browse for Benchmarks box, or you can search for them by keywords. Once you've added standards to the assignment, click Create, and now the assignment will appear in your gradebook. Entering grades in your gradebook is just as easy as using a spreadsheet. You can use your Enter key, your Tab key, or any of the up or down arrow keys to select grades. You can also select on the pencil icon to change a grade or add a comment to that grade. Comments are indicated next to the grade by a word bubble icon. You can click on the name of an assignment to edit it, remove it from your gradebook, or to mark the remainder of student assignments missing. You can use the filters to change which assignments are showing up in your gradebook. You can filter by benchmark by selecting a benchmark. Now, the summary grade based on Marzano's power law will appear in the right side of your gradebook. Click on a student name and select Graph Student Progress to see a line graph that compares the class progress to that student's progress. Each point on the chart is an assignment. You can click on the graphing page to see more visualizations of student and class progress. On the class progress graph, you can select a date range and find a benchmark to show progress on. You can either search by keyword or navigate in the Browse for Benchmarks box. Click Refresh Graph, and now you see a line graph of class progress with each assignment as a point on that graph. Next, select Benchmark Status from the Graphing pull-down. You can see a number of bar graphs that show what percentage of students are passing and which are failing each standard. By clicking through, you can see a filtered version of the gradebook that only shows the students that are either passing or failing that standard depending on where you click on the bar graph. You can click the Remove All button in order to clear all the filters from your gradebook and then see all of your assignments again. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, visit us online at www.benchmarkgrading.com.